Hello guys, so I want to address why you should not say Mapedi but Vapedi. So in Sepedi language we have what we call Magoro a maina. So Magoro a maina are as follows: Mo, Va, Mo, Me, Le, Ma, Se, Di. So Magoro a maina are classified into singular and plural form. So on the left side I'm going to put singular, on the right side I'm going to put plural forms. So in the singular form we have mo and another mo and le and se, and then on the plural form we have va and me and se and di. So let's start with our first part. So let's start with our first pair, which is mo and va. Mo and va are referring to people. For example, you are going to say mo to, and in plural form you are going to say va to, mo to, and va to. Mu pedi and va pedi. To our next one we have mo and me. So you are going to say mo hlari, and in plural form you are going to say me hlari. You are going to say mutsi, plural form mitsi. So the next one we have le and ma. You are going to say le leme. In plural form you are going to say ma leme, le leme, and ma leme. The next one we have si lepe and di lepe. So mostly I want to address the part that deals with people, which is the first part of mo and va. So